Hi everyone, it's Serena and today we're making a chocolate cake with a cheesecake swirl through it. It is so delicious. You're going to want to make it again and again. So easy in the Magimix food processor. Now I'm going to use the mini bowl and the large bowl. So we're going to the main bowl. So we're going to start with the mini bowl and I'm going to make the cheesecake filling. So this is a layered cake. So in this recipe I have got 250 grams of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of corn flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, which I've already put in here, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to throw all of that in now. So into the mini bowl. So there it goes. Now, that's what I love about making things in the Magimix. You throw it all in. It's so easy. Okay, so that's the corn flour and the sugar, the 1 egg, all in, and some of the vanilla extract. Now I prefer the extract because it's got a really lovely flavour. So we're going to pop that in there like that. Okay, and put the bowl in there. Hang on, there we go. Put it in and turn it on. So it's going to just mix away there really easily. Now I'll just scrape the sides. There we go. Pop that back in. Only takes a couple of seconds really, and then it just mixes through. It's just making sure that the butter has actually mixed through the rest of it, and that's ready. Okay, lovely. So that's the cheesecake part of it. We'll pop that aside. And now I'm just going to use the main bowl, put the blade in here like that. And in here we've got 2.5 cups of self-raising flour. We've got 1 3/4 cups of sugar. We've got a tablespoon of baking soda. There we have it. We have 1/2 cup of organic cacao, and I prefer the organic one because the flavour is a lot deeper, which is really nice. 130 grams of softened butter, 1 cup of water. Okay, so it's not milk, it's water. Gives it a deeper chocolate flavour. And we've got a teaspoon of the vanilla extract and 3 eggs. So in they go like that. Beautiful. So it's really simple. You just throw it all in together and there it is. So, and on it goes. And we just scrape down the sides, making sure we've got all of the butter and everything in there. Beautiful. That's it. And turning it on. That's all you need to do. It's very, very fast. And so the main thing is not to overbeat cakes. So we're going to just open that up. Now I have lined a 23 centimetre tin, and I always like to use the springform ones because they're just easy, and I've buttered it. So that's how we start there. So then we go with the chocolate mixture. I'll just get all that beautiful chocolate cake mixture off this blade. Now remember to be very careful with the blades because they're very sharp indeed. So that's it there. Now we're going to use half of this mixture and just pop it in there. So roughly half of it goes in there like that, and you spread it out right out to the edges. Beautiful. And then we put all of the cheese mixture on top of that, and it just bakes beautifully. It just mixes inside. You'll see that. So here it is. Whoops. There we go. And the spatula that comes with the food processor fits just so perfectly into the actual bowls, so it really scrapes everything out very easily. So we have it, and we just bring that out and mix just out like that. And then the rest of the chocolate on top. Just going to spread that out. Beautiful. Oh, there it is. And we just spread that out evenly over the top. Beautiful. And all of that beautiful cake mixture in there like that. And into the oven it goes. It goes into a 180 degrees oven for about 40 to 50 minutes, or until the skewer comes out nice and clean. And once you've actually taken it out of the oven, make sure you leave it in the tin to set for about 10 minutes, and then very carefully turning it onto a cooling rack. And let it cool properly before you cut it, because the cheese is quite soft. And this is what you end up with, this beautiful, lovely cheese swirl through this amazing chocolate cake. It's really delicious. Now you can put a little raspberry coulis on it. You don't need any more cream because it's got that lovely custard through it, but really it's delicious. So give it a go. It looks very impressive and it is really yummy. So let's give it a go. Thumbs up from me.